How to lock Facebook profile in a single step. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Do you guys want your profile to be as private as possible and not want unknown people to see your profile? If yes, this video is for you. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can lock your Facebook profile in a really simple step. So before we begin, if you guys don't have the updated version of Facebook, just go to your app store and update your Facebook. After doing that, open up your Facebook and you'll need to head over to your profile. So tap on the menu on the bottom right and tap on your name. Now, the first thing you'll need to keep in mind is that if you guys are in professional mode of Facebook, you will not have the lock profile option. As you can see right here, there is no lock profile option. So what we'll need to do right here is that we'll need to turn off our professional mode. So tap on turn off professional mode, tap on continue, tap on turn off, and go through all of this process. And finally, just turn off the professional mode. Now, if you guys are in your normal Facebook, you don't really need to turn it off. You will already have the lock profile option available to you. Now, after you've just gone back with the professional mode and turned it off, all you now need to do is head over to profile setting and tap on lock profile. Now, all you need to do is simply tap on lock your profile and you're basically good to go. You'll get this message right here. And now no one else can see your profile or photos. And yeah, that is basically it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye.